Good afternoon from Busch Gardens. It was just raining, we just arrived, and it's finally getting a little bit nicer out. It is Morgan's first time at Busch Gardens.
First time ever. Confirmed with my mom that I didn't come here as a small child, just don't remember it. I've literally never been here.
So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. We're gonna try to get on a bunch of coasters. I brought the GoPro, so hopefully we'll film some POVs because I really haven't filmed many here at Busch Gardens before.
At least during the day.
Right, and they don't turn out as good at night. So we're gonna try to definitely do Cheetah Hunt because that's our favorite. Cobra's Curse is running, and I feel like it's always down when we're here, so maybe we'll do that. Lots of different options here at Busch Gardens, and then of course today's the first day of pass holder previews for Gwasi, Iron Gwazi. So I may try to go ride that. Amanda's not feeling it, so she wants me to ride it, let her know if I survive. So I'll film a POV of Iron Gwazi because it's Platinum Pass members only. It has a grand opening next month. I want to say March 14th, but I could be slightly off. But mid-March it officially opens for everybody. So yeah, it's gonna be a fun day of coasters and hopefully not too bad crowd levels because today's the Super Bowl. So the parking lot seemed pretty reasonable today, and it doesn't seem too crowded in the front. So yeah, I don't know where we're gonna go first, but I'm gonna go ride some coasters. Here is Gwasi. It does have a bit of a line. I don't know how long it is. So I'm gonna go look at the front of the ride entrance, see what the posted standby is, but I'm so excited to finally ride this. I've heard amazing things about it. It's gonna be a good one. All right, we are heading back towards Cheetah Hunt and Cobra's Curse. Maybe we'll start with Cobra's Curse because I've only been on it once. It's never open, and Morgan's never been on it, obviously. So that could be a good one to start with. And then of course, we're over by Cheetah Hunt, which is my favorite. To be determined if Iron Gwazi will surpass it or not, but these are two good ones to start with. So we're over here by what is the building called with the Giraffe Bar? Ooh, there it goes. Whatever this area is called. That sounds right to me. I don't know.
That might be wrong.
And we may go to the Giraffe Bar as well because I've never been in there during the day and I want to see what it looks like looking out at the savannah. So might do that. It's getting a little bit nicer now. It's still overcast, but the rain is supposedly done for the day. So we'll see if it gets better. have ridden Cheetah Hunt, we have ridden Cobra's Curse, and we are hungry, so we came over to the Giraffe Bar to get a drink and some food. They don't have a ton of food, but they have, as far as I'm aware, oh, they have brisket mac and cheese.
Wait, get that.
And they have a soft pretzel. So, yeah, and then hopefully we'll get a table outside because I really want to look out at the savannah because that'd be super fun. So yeah, we'll see what we get and then hopefully are able to find a spot. Here's a look at everything we got from the Giraffe Bar. So here's a look at the giraffe-shaped soft pretzel that came with a side of beer cheese. And then we got the brisket mac and cheese as well. And then to drink, you got the Serengeti Sunrise, which we had both tried it last time. It was good, it's just very sweet. So I got something different this time. Amanda liked it. I got the Thorn and Berry, which was a whiskey-based drink with, I want to say, blackberries in it, which should be interesting. And here's our lovely view, which is incredible. So, I mean, it's very well named. There are, indeed, lots of giraffes out there, and some zebras as well. So, pretty cool spot. We are currently walking through Jungala, and we're trying to find what we want to do next. We had a great time at the Giraffe Bar, highly recommend. The mac and cheese was not my favorite, but that pretzel, the soft pretzel in the shape of a giraffe was so good. We'll definitely be getting that again. But here's the new Chick-fil-A, by the way, that's open since the last time we were here. It's of course closed because today's a Sunday, but they do have a Chick-fil-A here in Jungala. But we just walked over to Shikra. We thought that was gonna be our next coaster, and it is closed. So maybe under refurbishment currently. And Montu is under refurbishment as well. They're repainting Montu. Not sure what they're doing to Shikra. But I think we're gonna head back to Kumba because we haven't done that yet. And then make our way up to Sesame Street because we haven't gone through that area. Or the Sesame Street Safari of Fun. But yeah, it's a big park. We have yet to do a full loop. But gotten on some fun coasters so far. And now we're just trying to, I think we're going this way. Find where we want to go next. That's gonna be it for this visit out to Busch Gardens. I just waited like an hour in the queue while Gwazi was down, so that took forever, but it was such a good ride. So we'll be back. Once it officially opens, Morgan will ride it. We're gonna make Amanda ride it.
Yeah, I said she's gonna ride it. Morgan said if I'm riding
it was so good. I loved it.
Oh.
I'm not sure if it's my favorite or not. It's up there. It may beat Velocicoaster to be determined while I think about it. But it was so good. We got on a lot of coasters today. It was great. We'll be back to do all the ones that were closed today. But yeah, it was a fun day. So that's it for this visit. So thanks for watching. And we will see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys soon.